The one aspect of the paper that I chose to talk about was in reference to my interview with the head of the social studies department, the teacher who wished to remain anonymous. And in speaking with him, one of the aspects that he discussed was his feelings on the inclusion class, and his overall feeling of it was that they were essentially a waste of money and that they didn't serve any purpose because one teacher was really just doing the teaching and the other teacher was kind of just there as an observer. And in response to that, my initial question was, well, have you ever had an opportunity to actually observe the classes that are being done effectively? And unfortunately, the answer was no. So I felt that his perception of the inclusion classes are already skewed, and I could understand where some teachers might come from in reference to it being a waste of money for maybe less funded schools, teachers with less motivation. It's certainly a possibility. However, for the school that I'm observing over at Limerick Senior High School, they are well funded, so it seems to me that there's just a better rapport between student and teachers and between special education teachers and the general education teachers. And I feel that had this teacher actually taken the opportunity in observing this, he might have a better idea that the funds aren't exactly being wasted. As a matter of fact, they're being utilized to the best of their ability because the special education teachers are actually coinciding hand in hand with the general education teachers. For me, one of the best things about it, though, is that you do have two able bodies there present to help the students. As long as there is not as long as both teachers are actively involved in the class, then it is very effective.